Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to get started and start making money. I'll show you how to join affiliate marketing programs, how to get your affiliate links. Next, we will dive into creating content that actually works and drive sales. Then I'll show you where to post your content to get a lot of traffic for free, and I'll show you how to drive traffic to your content, and of course how to get paid by these companies. So stick around because this video you will get everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. Okay, as you can see over here, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and last year I made $197,354, okay, in commissions promoting my affiliate links on social media using free traffic. I'll show you everything. Okay, first, for people who want to start affiliate marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so here is what you will do. First step, okay, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr and click on the first link over here. You will need, all you have to do is just you need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go over here. Let me show you. Go to company and click over here on affiliate. And everyone can become an affiliate marketer. Okay, it's not it doesn't require any skills or any experience. Anyone can start with $0 and it's for free. Okay, so you will be directly in this page in Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can see, you can scroll down and you can check to get more idea about this website, about this affiliate marketing programs and how they works, how much you will get paid, and so much more. Okay, so you can get everything here. So what you will do, just click here on join now to create your affiliate account. Okay, as you can see guys, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So all you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next, now you need to choose good and profitable services that you will start promoting with free traffic. Okay, so how we can choose good services? So first we will use the platform that we will use to promote our services as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr is YouTube. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will go and open your YouTube homepage. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has so much traffic. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you are promoting the right services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, 29 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. And you should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, anyway, so what we will do, we will click here on the search. We will use YouTube search bar and we will ask question. For example, how to, okay, let's say how to create YouTube, let's say thumbnail, and here you go. Okay, you see, let me show you how to create YouTube thumbnails. For example, this topic. You just need to ask question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. It's from YouTube. YouTube will suggest the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People searching for how to create YouTube thumbnails in Canva, how to create YouTube thumbnails with AI, how to create YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. Okay, so those people who are searching for those topics, they will be interested to buy this service. If you go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, they will be interested to buy this one. Let me show you. YouTube thumbnail. They will be interested to buy this service, YouTube thumbnail, because those people who are searching for how to create YouTube thumbnails, they have YouTube channels and they want to get good thumbnails for their videos to start getting good views and grow their YouTube channels. So a lot of people, of course, not all those people will be interested, but we have in the other side we have a lot of people also will be interested. Okay, like 50-50 or so you will so those people who are searching for so those people who are searching for YouTube thumbnail, they will be interested to buy this service to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and this is exactly what those sellers provide in here on Fiverr. They provide thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail as service on Fiverr, and you guys can see it's already working. Look how many reviews. This is the number of reviews, the number of people who paid for those services. For this one, over 1,000 people paid for this one. Over 1,000 people paid for this service for YouTube thumbnail and this one and so much more. So let's choose, for example, this one. I will click on this one. So just click on the service that you want to use. Sorry, I will go back. Click on the service that you want to promote, and here you go. You guys can see over 11,000 reviews, over 11,000 people paid for this service. You see here 21 orders in queue, meaning that people are interested and they are already paying for this service and it's already working. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, you guys can see here, this is the numbers, this is the proof. Which people will buy this service? Which people? Of course, only those people who are on YouTube, who has small YouTube channels and who are searching for how to create YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so what you will do next, let's go back to this seller profile page. You need to copy this seller profile link, copy the profile link of this seller. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, like this, and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to start promoting this affiliate link using free traffic. Okay, so what you will do first, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. You guys can see that this seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video. Do you see the seller is really providing good service for those YouTubers who want to create YouTube thumbnails? You see, that's really amazing. So if you have a YouTube channel, you will be interested to buy this one to get more. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to create good thumbnails. Okay, so people can click on your videos and you can get views and grow your YouTube channels. Okay, thumbnails are very important on YouTube. Anyway, what you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop like this. Click on save and the video will be saved to your laptop. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, and of course it's for free. Okay, you don't need to pay any money. Click over here on YouTube video and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on upload and click on upload file. Pay close attention. Okay, upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, so let me show you. Let's click on upload file, and here you go. I will upload the video about YouTube thumbnail service. I will click on open and the video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text, scroll down, choose a good text that you can use for your YouTube videos, for this video, so people can just choose a good title. So it can be clear and looking good. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Just click on the title that you want to use, and they will delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check my website in description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, so people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this. So click here on element, and what you will do next, scroll down, just keep scrolling down and go over here to ships and choose this one, and click on color and choose black color and put this ship behind your text like this, and here you go. Okay, check my website in description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and here you go, you have a good video. You see? So what you will do, click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. If you can add a voiceover and talk about this service, this will be very helpful, and it's gonna be your own video. Okay, so just click, like I said, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, open a YouTube channel on YouTube. It's for free. It will take just 1 minute from your time. Upload the video and put this title, use this title for your videos: how to create YouTube thumbnails. Okay, exactly like this. And after you upload the video and use this title and upload the video as Creative Commons, so you will avoid any copyright or problems with YouTube. If you are uploading videos as Creative Commons, you are fine. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you create a new account with Fiverr, you will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. You will see this Fiverr Pro new plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, like I said, you should see this one. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and write this sentence in your YouTube description. If you are looking to create a professional and attractive YouTube thumbnails, check my website below and put your affiliate link in this description. Okay, this is exactly how you can promote affiliate links using free traffic and using YouTube. If you want to create your own videos, you can go to Fiverr. Okay, let me show you. You can go back and you guys can create your own videos. Okay, talk about those services, talk about how those services can help people grow their YouTube channels. You can make so much money. They are already working. This is the proof. Over 11,000 people paid for just for this seller. 11 people paid for this service for this seller. You guys can see 21 orders in queue. Okay, or you have also two choice. If you want to create if you want to also create your own video, you can. So let me show you. You can create a slideshow video. You can click on this picture and turn your screen recording on and record a slideshow video and keep clicking here. Okay, to show those people on YouTube what they will get. Okay, if they buy this service, what result they will get. Okay, and keep clicking and create a slideshow video and talk about the services. You see, people are satisfied. He was good. You see this one just paid for this service about YouTube thumbnail. Let's go, and here is another one. Okay, here is another one. Those people are satisfied. You can see they are getting good thumbnails, and you can create slideshow video and start promoting this as a service on YouTube. Create content about those services. You don't have just YouTube thumbnail, you have a lot. Okay, you have video editing. Also, people will need video editing. You have YouTube script, you have YouTube SEO, and you have so much more services that you can talk about on YouTube and create content about those services and use this content to promote those services as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, and you can make so much money. The algorithm of YouTube now is really it's easy, and now it starts pushing those small YouTube channels. If you go to your YouTube homepage, you should see small YouTube channels. They are appearing in your YouTube homepage, okay? Because YouTube starts pushing those small YouTube channels. It's you might see a lot of videos talking about that YouTube is on easy mode right now. This is exactly what I'm talking about, okay? And that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me. I'm not using just YouTube. I'm using different social media platform. I'm using like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and so much more. And inside my affiliate marketing course, you can get access to all those methods and strategies step by step. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting. You can get also access to me and my team. If you didn't understand something or you have any questions, you can always ask us. You will get access to our personal social media platforms, and you can always get back if you didn't understand something. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who want to see more videos like this about affiliate marketing, you guys can comment in this video affiliate marketing, and they will start sharing a lot of new services, new methods for free, okay?